Hello student, welcome to you. Now I am going to explain given question in the circuit. When switch S is open, the plates are uncharged and are separated by a distance 8 mm. Battery is of 100 volt and a spring are identical with a spring constant K. Capacitance of capacitor with separation D is equal to 8 mm is 2 microfarad. When switch S is closed, the distance between the plate is reduced to 4 mm. Find the sum of a spring constant of the spring. Okay. So let's solve this question. So we know that force act between two plates of the capacitor is Q square by 2A epsilon naught. Okay. Now when switch is closed, then distance reduced to half. So finally when switch is closed, then distance reduced to half, then capacitance become 2 times. Initial capacitance, suppose initial capacitance C1 is C. So when switch is closed, distance reduced to half, then capacitance become 2C. Okay. So now I am finding the force act between the plates after closing the switch. So here it will be Q is equal to 2C into V whole square divided by 2 epsilon naught A, and we can divide by D into multiply with D. So F is nothing but this is 4C square V square by 2. Here epsilon naught A by D is C into D. So C get cancelled. So force is now 2CV square by D. Okay. Now after closing the switch, distance of separation reduced to half, means total stretching produced by the spring is D by 2. Total stretching produced by a spring is equal to D by 2. For one spring stretching produces equal to D by 4. So we know that a spring force is F is equal to K into X. Okay. Spring force is equal to K into X, and X is nothing but K into D by 4. Okay. So now put the value of force. This spring force is equal to force between the plates of the capacitor, which is equal to 2CV square by D is equal to K D by 4. Okay. Now K is equal to 8CV square by D square. So 8 C is 2 microfarad, it is given. So 2 microfarad, so 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, and V is 100 volts, so 100 square divided by D. Distance of separation, initially it was given 8 millimeters, so 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now after simplifying, here 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 4 by 64 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Here it will get cancelled. Here 4. So here 1000 10,000 divided by 4. So K is 2.50 kilo Newton per meter. Okay, so we can say K is 2.50 kilo Newton per meter. Now we have to find the sum of spring constant. Okay, sum of spring constant is sum of spring constant is equal to 2K. So 2 into 2.5, so it will be 5 kilo Newton per meter. So answer of this question is 5 kilo Newton per meter. Okay. Thank you.